Hello students, I, Miss Sheetal Deshpande, here from Sant Tukaram National Model School for class 5th Social. Today we are going to discuss about your right, my right, human rights. In that we have a concept 8.1 human rights and human rights organizations. Let's see some images. Dear student, by seeing these images, we can understand that the problems or real situation of laborers in India. The owner of the mine is forcing to work more than 8 hours. They are getting very less wages. Sometimes they cannot fulfill their daily requirements. In some cases, the same situation will pass to next generation also. So they also suffer same as their parents suffered. All human beings born with equal rights and freedom of choice. We all have the same rights, no matter which country, religion or race we belong to. So by seeing these images, it may more clear to you. See, in one side, the all religious people, they stand together for equal rights. When we will think about the human rights, definitely human rights do not depend on some factors. Let's see which are those. Income, gender, community or social group, country, language, religion, political beliefs. Let's see the detail about each point. First we will think about the income. See, income is most important, but on which human rights are never depend. See, in one side I shared the image top 10 richest people in India, and one side you can easily see the labor and laborer's kid. Income will not be held responsible to get the fundamental rights. We all are equal in front of our constitution. Even you are one of the top 10 richest people in India or world, you may get same fundamental right as common people get in India. So income is not considered at all to get the fundamental rights. We have next most important point, that is gender. See, in PPT also one side you can see the male gender and another side you can see the female gender. As a part of Indian society, we have main two genders, male or female. Physically we have two different genders, but to make us equal, our constitution has given equal right to both male and female. Human rights are not depend on gender. Earlier we found discrimination in between male and female, but now due to our constitution, both as a part of society are getting equal rights. Next point we have, that is community or social group. As you know, in India we have different communities, but human rights do not depend on any community. While giving the rights, it is not considered whether you are from rich community or poor. Are you from tribal community or general community? It will not think about are you government employee or private owner. So as a human being, all are getting equal rights. See, you can see in this image also, one side we have tribal community. In second image you can see the different religious people from one community, and one side the government employee, they were working on one project, but all are getting equal rights. Next we have to think about the country. See, easily you can see here the different country maps. When we will think about the human rights, are you from which country, that is not matter at all. Yes, human rights are not depend on any country. It is not matter you are from which country. It will not consider is your country more powerful, is your country developed, is it more populated. So no country can dominate any other country's human rights. Next we have here to think about the language. In whole world, 7,117 languages are spoken, and in India 22 official languages are there, or 19,500 languages are spoken. But when we will concern about human rights, whatever may be your language, how many people are speaking that language, is it official or not, is it national or international language, is it state language or tribal language, there is no discrimination like this. All are treated equally as far as human rights are concerned. See, on image also you can see different languages are put on one paper. Means language at all not matter to get the human rights. Next we have here religion. In whole world 4,300 different religions are there. In India means 6 religions are there. When the question comes about human rights, there is no difference in any religion. It is not matter at all which religion you belong. That is the secret of our unity. See, by seeing these images also you can understand the main symbols of different religions. Next and last most important point, that is political beliefs. When we will think about the political parties, the role of political parties is most important to run the country. To get the human rights, as we know, human rights are not depend on you are from which political party. Is it the ruling party? Is it the opposition party? To secure the human rights, all are treated as equal. In this way, today we discuss the factors which are not depend on human rights. Next part of the lesson we will continue in tomorrow's period. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.